What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a good day. It is Friday, June the 26th. I am packing up. Got one suitcase right there. Bunch of other crap right here. I'm actually going on a trip today. My hair look crazy, but I'm not doing it because when I get to where I'm going to have someone else do it. But I'm headed to the beautiful, beautiful island of Antigua and Barbuda. I'm going to St. John's to visit my sister. Me and my other sister are going to go visit another sister there. I have 3 sisters, so 3 of us will be together. The other one, our oldest sister, lives in a different country, so she will not be with us, unfortunately. But we're going to go visit her tonight. It is like, what time is it? It is, can you see? Can you see? Okay. Can't see that because, you know, it is 2:30. It's 2:30 right now, and our flight is at like 8:15 tonight. So I just finished packing it up. I was doing some work earlier today because I was working remotely today because I just wanted to finish packing and everything. I have a slight headache, but I'm trying to make sure that I don't look sick at all. I'm not trying to be sick. I'm not trying to look like I have anything wrong with me because I refuse for me to get to this country and these folks tried to quarantine me or any of this mess. I ain't dealing with that mess. So, yeah. The only thing I think I need to get left is just some snacks because all the snacks that I shipped in a barrel over to my sister like a few weeks ago, her kids didn't ate it all. I shipped so much snacks, and usually she's like, oh, they only eat certain types of snacks, blah, 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 blah. I talked to her yesterday. She's like, oh, these kids didn't eat up all the snacks. So I'm gonna bring my own damn snacks. But yeah. So this suitcase pretty much is probably gonna get left there. The bottom part of it is like broken. Stupid behind airports are always breaking stuff. But that pretty much has clothes for my niece and nephews that I'm taking, even though I just shipped them a barrel. Go figure. And then my stuff is in there. My book bag. Not this one because that's too small. But this one's going to have like all my electronics. So my photography camera, the camera that I'm holding now, my vlogging camera, cell phone, my little bag. So yeah, that bag's just going to have like all my everyday essentials like snacks and electronics are all going to be in that bag. So it'll be just easier for me to differentiate where everything is. So when I'm going through the airport, I can easily pull things out. Ugh. First of all, let me grab my passport. I just realized I never got it out. This little box here. So I have my little thing here where like my little shelf of trinkets where I have like random money from different countries. And this I actually got from Antigua the last time I went a few years ago. It's like a little coin purse. But I need to get my passport out of here. And here you go. Passport, ready to go. So yeah, I gotta get my passport out of here. Put it in my bag now before I forget. I would've got to the airport and been pissed off, y'all. Couldn't go nowhere. Took out cash earlier from the bank. Yeah, I took out cash earlier from the bank, so I don't need to get any more at the moment. I'm trying to think. So I got my sunscreen, I got bug spray, all that is in this, my checked luggage, making sure. So my camera battery has been charging for this camera. It's over there. I need to make sure I get that before I go. So as long as I got money, I got my passport, and I got my ID, and I got my phone charger, which reminds me I need to go charge my phone, then I'm good to go. Oh, I need to get my, I don't know if this is even going to work over there. I wonder. I have my hotspot, so where is my hotspot? I'm probably going to end up using my hotspot, oh, it's right here, duh. I'm probably going to end up using my hotspot on my phone instead of this because this is a Sprint hotspot that I use for work. But I feel like if I take this overseas, they're going to probably have a bunch of international like fees and stuff like that. And I'm not about to pay for this. So I'm probably going to take it with me just in case. But more than likely, I'm not going to use it. Oh, let me show you guys my shades. Hold on. So I got 2 pairs of shades from my homegirl. This one is a basic black. Hello. Shout out to Throwing Shades 2020. That's the basic black. This one, I forgot what it's called, but it's like rainbow something. But you can follow her on Instagram. Her Instagram is Throwing Shade 2020. Shout out to Wendy. This is the card. Look like a little MasterCard. That's dope. I just realized that actually. That's cool. But shout out to Wendy. Gotta support, you know, my homies and their businesses. So I don't really wear sunglasses like that, but I'm like, you know what? I'm going on vacay. Let me do that. But yeah, like I said, I'm not doing my hair right now. I got a late night flight. I get in at like 11 something tonight. So when I get in, I'm probably going to shower and take my ass to sleep. My sister works tomorrow morning, and then when she gets off, she's going to do my hair. I was going to do it myself, but why would she do it better? You feel me? And I ain't got to pay for it, so. Well, I feel like I paid for it, because I done bought a lot of shit for them, so. Yeah. But, yeah, so this, let me get this battery out the wall right now. It's already charged. Charged. I'm actually going to put this camera battery back in the camera. Put this in the camera. You gotta put that back in the camera. Where's my oh. While I'm at it, I might as well go ahead and put a memory card in here in case. So I'm gonna take photos. Let me see what pictures are on here. I'm gonna go ahead and okay, nothing's on here. Perfect. So let's go ahead and stick this in the bag. We got our cash monies. This is cash for me and my other sister for us to have. What else? Oh, I don't really need this. Oh wait, you know, where's my, it's not a selfie stick. Woo. That was weird. It's not a selfie stick, but I need to find my little, got it. Got this. Get my little blue light glasses for the computer. Because even though I'm on vacation, I just know somebody from work is going to call me. And I'm not going to answer for the most part. If my boss calls me, I'll probably answer. Maybe. Like, depending on if they text me and it's something like super important. But for the most part, I'm not going to answer. Because they already know that I'm going off the country. So it's not like a whole lot I can do. But I'll try to be like resourceful as much as I can. But yeah. Yeah. So got my little melanin visor cap. I think that's all I need. I think I'm going to be putting on my sneakers. Crazy thing is, I only packed sandals to wear, like sandals only. I didn't pack any other sneakers. I'm wearing like what I have on now to the airport. I'm not changing. I just don't feel like it. I'm probably going to grab like a little throw jacket, or like a hoodie to wear because it'd be cold in the airport. Oh, gotta pack my my waist training, because you know your girl gonna be out there climbing mountains and stuff. I'm gonna be working out while I'm out there. Well, let me see if I got another battery in here, an extra battery for my camera. Because I need one. It's not in here. So it's probably out there. But anyway, I'm gonna see you guys when I'm headed to the airport. I don't know if I'm going to post this video before I get to the airport or if I'm going to post it when, I don't know what I'm going to do. I just don't. I don't. But, yeah. I'll probably post it tomorrow when I get, like when I wake up maybe. That way you guys can see like when I land and a few shots of the airport, all that good stuff. But we'll see. But goodbye for now.